Let's talk about the latest INFINIX smartphone Hot 40. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch-hole magic ring display, resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, approximately 84.5% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 396 ppi. Pixel density, 500 nits peak brightness, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera, and with 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens with quad LED flash. For selfies it has 32 megapixel front camera with dual LED flash, video recording maximum 2K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of XOS 13.5 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of eMMC 5.1. onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.6 by 76.6 by 8.3 mm, and it weighs around 196 grams. The color options: Starlit Black, Palm Blue, Horizon Gold, Starfall Green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, with stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The INFINIX Hot 40 has been expected priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 42,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 49,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this INFINIX Hot 40 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.